changing weight from one foot to the other. It's like walking on the same spot. To work on that and to be sure that one foot is free of weight, we will tap and change weight. Tap and change weight. Tap and change weight like that. First on the same spot. Tap, change weight, tap, change weight. Again. You want to rest completely. Tap, change weight, tap, change weight. I am doing this with my foot. Tap and change weight. Tap and change weight. Let's do it a couple of times. The tapping will help you to have your weight on one foot and the other one, even if it is touching the floor, is free of weight. And because you tap, you are sure, that makes sure that you don't put any weight. So tap, change weight, and tap, change weight. One more time. Keeping still the leg that is free of weight straight. I mean, straight like in tango, that is not this, is straight but relaxed. So then you have flexibility. Tap and change weight. Tap, change weight. Very good.